I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by exposing a small corner of the edge tape and loosening it. You want control, not a rush. Use a hair dryer set to low and heat the tape for 10-20 seconds to soften the adhesive, and then score the tape edge gently with a utility blade at a shallow angle so you don't nick the wood. Once done, grip the lifted corner firmly and pull slowly along the grain to separate tape from cane rather than tearing it off abruptly. You continue by pulling the tape in a steady motion at a 30 to 45-degree angle. This reduces peeling stress and preserves the edge. If the tape resists, pause and reapply heat to that section for 5-10 seconds, then resume pulling. For adhesive residue, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol or adhesive remover to a cloth and dab gently. Make sure to blot and not soak the wood to protect the finish and grain integrity. You finish by removing all residue. Apply a mild solvent sparingly, wipe with a soft cloth, and let the edge dry, then inspect for rough spots. If needed, lightly sand with 400-600 grit paper along the grain, then clean again so the surface is smooth for new tape. If you nick the wood, apply a tiny amount of wood glue into the nick, clamp, or press until set and allow to cure fully. If problems persist, stop and consult a pro to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.